Mastering Project Risk Management as a CAPM Professional. Project risk management means finding, assessing, and addressing risks that may affect a project's goals. It is a key part of project management. It helps ensure projects are on time, on budget, and satisfy stakeholders. By managing project risks, CAPM professionals can boost project success. They can also reduce the impact of unforeseen events. Project risk assessment. The first step in project risk management is to conduct a thorough risk assessment. This involves identifying potential risks that may affect the project, as well as the likelihood and impact of each risk. By knowing the risks upfront, CAPM pros can find ways to reduce or remove them before they become major issues. Project risk analysis. Once risks have been identified, they must be analyzed to determine their potential impact on the project. This involves evaluating the likelihood of each risk occurring, as well as the potential consequences if it does. A detailed risk analysis lets CAPM professionals prioritize risks. They can then focus on those that threaten the project's success most. CAPM certification and project risk management. As a CAPM professional, you should master project risk management. It is a valuable skill that can set you apart in project management. Improving your risk management skills will boost your value to employers. It will also advance your career opportunities. Also, skill in project risk management can help you pass the CAPM exam and earn your certification. Conclusion. In conclusion, a CAPM professional must master project risk management.